try to build a door that's going to outlast the building. My name is Jim Suderman. I'm one of the owners here of Diamond Bifold Doors. We're based out of Winkler, Manitoba. Our company's goal and objective is to provide a quality bifold door for a range of applications that can meet the customer's needs. That's low maintenance, that provides good value, and it provides years of service.
Originally, our hinges used to be produced offshore just based on the volume that we were doing, and there was just no way to bring that in-house. Once we looked into the Cobot, that was the game changer. Once we realized we could handle the welding reliably and consistently, then we knew we could onshore our hinges instead.
Part of our mission and goal is continuous development and R&D, and just to bring a lot of our process in-house. Consistency and quality led us into exploring different robots and Cobot applications. And long story short, we kind of landed on the Lincoln line here because of their flexibility of allowing us to set up and do a bit of a customization.
My name is Abe. I'm a drafter designer at Diamond Doors. I like how simple it was for myself to pick up and learn the Cobot. With its drag and drop features, it was very simple for me to transition from a teach pendant, which I used in the past, and it was a lot less complicated.
The Cobot that we have now was really our first one in the company, and we've really liked it, and we've had a good experience, actually looking at buying several more.
What the Cooper Cobot has brought to my job is it's helped me understand jig design and also the welding quality. It helps me understand better.
The common thing in the industry is automation takes away jobs, and our experience has actually been the opposite. Technology really adds to jobs. Something like a Cobot will do is provided an opportunity for product advancement. Rather than doing the same thing over and over and over again, Cobot specifically just really allows the operator to do what he wants to do, kind of overseeing the mundane stuff.
This first automation project with Lincoln has been really terrific experience, and I'm looking forward to doing more Cobots with Lincoln in the future.